Now that you have been introduced to using Access tables and queries, let's learn how to create and work with forms. In this chapter, you will learn the definition and uses of forms, including how to add elements to a form, how to create and save your forms, and how to change the layout and design of a form. You will also use a wizard to create a data access page, which is a web-based form. Forms help you view and enter data into your database in a more visual way. Forms should be organized for clarity of purpose and quick navigation. Most importantly, they should be organized so that entering data and information is easy. An Access form is an on-screen representation of a paper form. You might use a form to display each record on its own page or display only the fields the user should see. One type of Access form that allows you to quickly view all fields in a selected table without scrolling back and forth across the table is an auto form. Using an auto form is a quick and easy way to see your table information displayed in a form. Plus, you don't have to spend time designing or defining the layout of the form. To create an auto form, first make sure the table you want to use is selected. Then choose Auto Form from the New Object button on the Database toolbar. The Animals table is already selected. Here is an example of an auto form. An auto form is automatically created using all of the fields in your table. Each record is shown one at a time. Field information for the record is shown in individual fields. The entire auto form is displayed in Form View. In this view, you can edit record information, update records, remove and delete records, or add new records. Notice the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen, which includes buttons used to move through records in Form View. The navigation bar indicates that this is record 1 of 7 records. An auto form is a fast way to create a standard form. This form is very functional, with a gray background and white data entry areas for each field. However, Access also allows you to change the form's design or to create customized forms. Do not save the changes to this form. Instead, you will create a custom form using the Form Wizard. The first step in creating a custom form using the Form Wizard is to select the form's object on the Objects bar. Once the form's object is active, click the New button to see the available options for creating a form. Use the New Form dialog box to select the type of form you wish to create. Let's look at the different types of forms before continuing. Using the Form Wizard, you will create a form that will be used to enter information. The Form Wizard is an easy way to create a form in Access. You can choose from several different pre-existing layouts, and you can also choose several different styles for your form. Like other Access wizards, the Form Wizard asks you questions and creates a form based on your answers. The New Form dialog box lets you choose the table or query on which you would like to base your form. Since this form will be based on the Brochure Pamphlet Sales table, you need to tell Access to get the data from the Brochure Pamphlet Sales table.